This tutorial will show you how to set up GoTrust ID for Business passwordless login on your workstation, either by using your mobile device or by using an Idem Key. First, download and install the GoTrust ID for Business application, which will be provided to you by your IT department or by the GoTrust support team via email. Once you've downloaded and installed it, open it up and enter in your account information. This account information is your active account directory or the trial account provided by GoTrust. Click on Next and then select your Authenticator type. The Authenticator type can either be your mobile phone or your Idem Key for passwordless login. Let's start by using our phone as our Authenticator type, so click on Phone Authenticator and then Next. Enter in your current workstation's password. The next step is to download the mobile application onto your iOS or Android device, so head over to the Apple App Store or to the Google Play Store and search for GoTrust ID Business. Once you've located GoTrust ID Business, install it onto your mobile device. The next step is to pair your mobile device with your workstation, so you'll have to scan the QR code shown on your screen. Open up GoTrust ID Business on your mobile device and go through the prompts. Once you've clicked on Get Started, click on the scan icon at the bottom right of your screen and then scan the QR code shown on your workstation. You can also repeat the same process to add multiple workstations, but at this point my mobile device and my workstation are both paired up for passwordless login. Next, we're going to pair the Idem Key as another mode of authenticating, so insert the Idem Key into your USB port of your Windows device. Once you do that, create a specific PIN code that you're going to remember. Place your finger on the flashing GoTrust ID logo and you're all set. You now have paired your phone and your Idem Key as a way to unlock your Windows computer without using a password. To set up two-factor authentication with your GoTrust ID for Business account in Microsoft Office 365, first log into your Microsoft Office 365 account. Once you've logged into your account, click on User Portal. After clicking on User Portal, click on Setup. Next, you'll want to open up your GoTrust ID Business application on your mobile device. Click on the little plus icon at the bottom right of the screen, then scan the QR code that's shown on your workstation. After you've scanned the QR code, you've successfully set up two-factor authentication using your GoTrust ID Business account and Microsoft Office 365.